This electronic scale hydraulic truck has a maximum load of 2,000 kilograms, manual hydraulic lifting, and a weighing accuracy of 0.1 kilograms. This batch of goods is 535 kilograms, and the weighing error does not exceed 1,000. It adopts an integrated hydraulic cylinder, which will not leak oil. The manual hydraulic handle is just like an ordinary hydraulic truck. The workmanship of this truck is very good. The entire wheel frame is cast in one piece. The front row is designed with 2 wheels. The maximum hydraulic height is 20 centimeters and the minimum height is 8 centimeters. It is the same as an ordinary hydraulic truck and is suitable for most pallets on the market.